Hey, welcome back to, I guess, part 1A of this unboxing of the of our Proton Pack. At the end of the last unboxing, I didn't have batteries. Hey, batteries. So really what we're going to do here is we're just going to put the batteries in this. We're going to listen to some of the sounds that it makes, and then we'll technically have our second part of the full unboxing done probably later in the next week or so. We've got a few unboxings coming up. I do have the wand over there, the Spengler's wand sitting over there. So on the next unboxing, we're going to unbox it, get it attached to this. But right now, we're just going to put batteries in this and boot it up. So I figure, this would be entertaining. So see what we got here. Takes 4 Ds. Have my screwdriver here. Hopefully this will, I checked it. It acted like it was charged, but you never know. Oh, look at that panel. Reach over here for these. So we're going to try to keep doing certain unboxings all the time. I've got a Wonder Woman statue coming up and a whole bunch of other things. But I figured this should be like its own little separate thing since we kind of unboxed it, but we hadn't really booted it up with the power. And we'll do that before we do connect the wand and everything to it. So, all right, so there we go. That out of the way. So, let's see what we got here. You don't really care all about me. Let's see. You would think this would be easier, but it's not. Let's see. We'll bring this down some so it's all about this. Here, let's. All right, so it's booted up. Here's the volume. Low. Get more of a volume. Guess you can hear that. So the next thing we're going to do though, here, let's there's a power down, but we got a few options inside here that we can do. So we're going to, once again, we're going to take all this out. We're going to open this up. This looks like it's missing a screw that this was held down in. Huh. Or, we'll figure that out. So let's see here what we got. So there's a couple of switches here. So right now we're in afterlife mode and motor. So let's turn this back on. Oh, look, it won't do anything because haha, these have got to be done. All right, so it is currently in afterlife mode here, which is up, and turn off the motor. So we're going to go in classic mode and turn the motor on. Now let's get this hooked back up here. All right. Of course, we got to get all this back in, or it won't turn on. You don't really need to do this, but we're going to put that on anyway. I know you can't see me. Hey, how's it going? So there, that's tight. So can you hear the motor, the vibrating? I don't think that does anything. But you got your lights. So we're going to turn that off. We're going to turn that motor back off to just go to the classic sound, right? Turn on motor. turn off motor, turn off motor. So now we're in classic mode. All right, so now we are in, I didn't take that off, that's fine. Put this back on. Da, da, da. See what we got here. All right, everything's connected. Now we've turned off that vibrating motor. See, hi. We've turned off the vibrating motor. We're on classic mode. So there's the classic mode sound, which is pretty cool. Speakers up here at the top. Let's see here, let's do this. Speakers up here. So that's what it's coming out of. It's right here. Got your blue lights going. We'll set it up here so you can see that the red lights flashing around. And we'll boot it back down. We're going to flip it back to afterlife mode again really quick, just to get an idea, which is this switch right there. So afterlife mode. See, it's got these little pins that basically runs all of this. So if the pins aren't in here, it's not gonna do a whole lot. There we go. I'll probably just kind of leave it in afterlife mode, but it's kind of cool to see everything that we have going on here. And it, you know, you can see they make it pretty easy to change modes and everything, so it's not, you know, anything. So you got everything in afterlife mode. Again, you got a volume. That works well with it. Down. Do that. So anyway, you may can hear me, you may not with this thing. Power it down. So there you go. So that is, now we have the Proton Pack. We have batteries in it. We got it working, making sure it works. Everything's booted up. This is still an impressive one-to-one that Hasbro HasLab did. I will probably, if you haven't gone and looked, they make a frame for the back to make it a little bit better to carry. So I'll probably deal with that. But anyway, so that'll be it for this. We will do the wand at a later time, and we'll connect it all to this, or I'll get that going. So once again, thanks for joining us here at RCX Unfiltered, piece of Richmond Comics. Thanks for joining, and look forward to doing more of these things and more items. So thanks a lot. Bye.